I'm on like a med surge floor, which I don't know if you know, some people may not know what that is, but it's like just general and then post surgery. So if you've had like a surgery, like I kind of take care of you after you wake up and stuff. But they have shut down that floor. So I've had to, because they've canceled like all elective surgeries and they're only doing like emergency type things. But also they've floated me to other floors, and those are like the type of negative patients that have been ruled out that are not COVID. So I'm still in contact, but obviously when you step in the hospital, you're still at risk just stepping in there. But I'm not dealing firsthand with those patients, but who really knows at this point? I grew up playing basketball. I mean, my dad was like at 2 years old dribbling in the living room, you know what I mean? And then just throughout my whole life, I've always played. But there's so many things like in just basketball, but any sport, it just teaches you like sometimes plays don't go your way, or sometimes you don't win all the time. And sometimes when things don't go your way and when you lose, you grow more through that. So, but especially at Marshall, I had a few injuries. I have 2 knees surgeries, 2 nose surgeries. So that was definitely something that was not in my plan of, having to sit out and not play. But that taught me so much just as a person, that to grow and to be tough and to have grit and just hardworking. I feel so honored to even just say I'm a nurse right now. And even before this happened, before I'd be like, yeah, I played basketball at Marshall, and that was kind of like what I wanted to label myself as. But now I'm like, I'm a nurse, and for me to even have this opportunity to really, because I feel like nursing and just being in healthcare is a calling. It's not for everyone. And I know God has put that calling on my life. And for me to be able to be people's hope right now, because this world needs hope and just peace in this crazy time right now. And I'm just so honored that I'm able to even help in this time. That's been such a blessing. And I first want to thank God for just even giving me the talent to play basketball in order for me to even provide an education for me. But like I said, there's been nurses that have been laid off or their floors have been shut down, and praise God, I've been able to go somewhere else and still work. But I still do work with nurses that still have student debt to this day. And they've been in nursing for 10 to 15 years, and they're still having debt. And so the fact that I can say I don't have to worry about that. So I thank, Big Green so much, and every person that has donated that I don't even know about. I want to humbly thank you so much that I can just worry about my bills, and I can worry about feeding me. I don't have to worry about paying for my education anymore. And that's a huge weight lifted and such a blessing that I can't thank anybody enough for that.